Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on a crazy little thing called Love by Queen. Alright, so it's going to be in the key of D major. You're going to go to G major, and do a C major, back to the G, back to the D. Now that C, you can do it like this if you want to, you can do it like that if you want to, you can do it like this, it's up to you. Alright, so it goes through that whole thing again, and then eventually it goes to an A sharp major bar chord, to a C major bar chord, or you can do it like this, and then back to the D. Now while you're doing this, you're going to be doing a swing feel to it. And your pinky is going to be going back and forth on the 3rd fret of the E string. Yes. Does that twice. And then to the A sharp major bar chord, to the C, to the D. And then it goes to a G major, C, back to the G, A sharp major, bar chord, E major, A major, and then kind of like a stop right there. It's an F. I just do a power chord. Then you got this thing. So that's ring finger right there on the A string, the 5th fret. Walk it down with your middle finger, and then pointer finger, all right in a row. And then same thing on the E string. And then, so that's E to an A. Now I think the electric guitar kicks in at that point and goes. And now, there's some sweet little guitar licks while he's singing. So you got your bar right here on the 12th fret, and you got your bar right here on the 10th fret. And you're going to do this little twiddly thing with your pointer finger and your middle finger on the 10th and 11th fret of the G string. So it goes. And you can bar it if you want, or you can just, I think he just goes. And then you got pinky right here, ring finger right here. So that's 13, 12, and it goes. Pretty cool. And then you got this thing, so it goes. So that's just barring the 10th fret, bottom 2 strings. Slide it down. And then it goes, which is pretty self-explanatory. You got, so again that's. And then this little bluesy thing. So you can slide it down from the 13 to the 12 if you like, to the 10th fret. You slide to a pull-off, or you can bend it, or you can just do all pull-offs. It's really up to you. So that whole thing sounds like this. Yeah, and then we'll work on the solo next week. Yes, it's a pretty cool song. It's a classic. Good luck, sir. Good luck.